Hello and welcome back. Today we have a special nail dipping powder tutorial for you. We'll cover all the basics and we'll have a few hidden gems for our more advanced users. This is perfect for anyone who wants to offer this service to their clients or anyone who wants to try this at home. Dipping powder is a great alternative to acrylic for those who want longer lasting nails, less odor, and a healthier nail bed. Today we'll be using our SNS Sunshine bases and sealers. We'll pair it with a beautiful jealous color from our exciting new collection, Glam. We will be applying our color on a medium length nail using these familiar glass dishes. Remember, every great service starts with properly sanitized tools. Once fully dry, we're ready to build the apex of the nail using one layer of natural set. We begin by applying a coat of jealous base. We brush across the bottle in order to remove any bubbles on the brush. We want both sides of the brush to be nice and smooth. We are now going to go in and drop the excess on her nail and coat about 3/4 of the nail to create a strong foundation. Apply the product evenly to ensure a stronger bond. Next, we dip the nail into the natural set. We want to brush off any excess and keep our workspace as clean as possible. Now, time to apply some color. We want to apply a layer of jealous base and dip our nails into our Glam color. After you apply the first layer of jealous color, make sure you dust off the nail. Be sure to dust under the nail as well. Now it's time for a second coat of color. Let's apply one layer of natural set sheer. This additional layer will help protect our color when we begin filing. Brush off any remaining powder before applying a nice thin coat of jealous base. Let's dip into our natural set sheer. When complete, we want to dust above and below the nail in order to avoid any specks. Now we are ready to apply sealer dry. This will help our product bind together. Once dry, we can go in and start filing and shaping. We're using the fabulous 100/180 files and buffers from SNS. We want to make sure we go around the cuticle and sidewalls. Filing is a critical step because it generates heat that will help our product bond. SNS powder is really easy to file, so we can use a light touch when using a hand file. When using our SNS e-file, we don't have to go past setting number 2. We then want to lightly buff and remove any rough parts. Dust off and we'll apply one more layer of sealer dry. Now we're ready for our first layer of top coat. We want to make sure the first coat fully dries before we go into our second layer. Look at how pretty that looks. Now for the final touch, we want to apply SNS vitamin oil around the cuticle area. This will encourage our clients' nails to grow strong and healthy. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit the bell icon to be notified when we release a new video.